Good morning internet, this is the Snapper and today I'm gonna show you some double exposures in camera. I wouldn't call it as a big tutorial, just a few tips and tricks how to make double exposures in camera. I'm gonna be using my old trusty 6D Mark II. Double exposure function, you can find it in most recent cameras, so it's not something really special. Also, later on I'll take you to the city, I'll take some double exposures, I'll show you some footage behind the scenes, and I'll add a link in the description of my previous video which I made in London, and it consists of photos, also double exposures which I took there, and I used very similar technique, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's go to camera menu. On the red tab you just need to go to page 3 and just basically choose double exposure. So enable, and now with this one you can choose the blending mode. So I don't have like a specific suggestion here, you just need to try and see which one you prefer. And 2 exposures for this one as we're doing double exposures. And last one is, do you want to just do once or you want to continue doing those double exposures continuously? So I'll just leave continuously for the moment. Let's go back. So in live view, as you see, I can now focus and take a picture, just like so. Okay. And what I'm gonna do now is I want to take second shot, defocus. So I switch the lens to manual focus. And I'm gonna rotate the camera like this. And now I can defocus. You see right here, the keyboard, I'm changing the focus on it. And I leave it defocused like this. And I can make my alignment because I can see that transparent image, the first image in the background. And that's it, I'll try to take a shot. Okay, camera is processing. And now let's have a look. So as you see, it's reversed and one image is in focus, one is out of focus. So good thing to do is to underexpose a little bit. So what I'm gonna be trying to do today is I'm gonna take one shot with it sharp, and then second shot will be out of focus. So again, I'm gonna be switching to manual focus and rotating the camera. So I will try to get that mirror effect or reflection effect. Let's go to the city now.